So, very good evening to you all. Just put in the comment box if you can hear me loud and clear so that we can start off with the presentation. This is our first English presentation from India, which is exclusively done for such markets who cannot understand or who are not familiar that much with Hindi. All right. So, before starting this presentation, let me give you a short introduction of myself. Some people know me, some people are hearing me for the first time. My name is Viraj Patil, and I'll tell you my bit of story. Not entire story, but some sort of introduction so that you know where I come from, what is my background, and all that stuff. So, I belong from Mumbai, place in India. You all know about it, a crowded place, the economic capital of India. By education, I have done my engineering. My specialization is in civil, and I was working with one of the biggest possible corporate in India, which is Reliance. I have like 4 years of corporate experience, wherein my last designation was manager, and have like business experience of near about 3.5 years, where I build organizations of around 8 countries of near about 27,300 people. So again, it is not all about me, but we are here to see something which might have a possibility to make a change or to get rid of your problems, whatever so-called problems you have in your life. So let me take this opportunity to welcome you and share my screen and start off with the presentation. Allow me for a moment. All right, I hope my screen is visible. So as you can see, the first slide, the name of the opportunity which we are going to see is IX. So what does this name signify? So IX, I stands for you and IX stands for multiplier. So we have normally heard about things like 5x, 10x, 10x by the legendary Grant Cardone, massive action. So here there is no limitation to your X is infinity. So that is what our brand name or our company name stands for, IX, Innovate, Impact and Inspire. So we are going to talk about Innovate, Impact, Inspire later on in our coming slides. But before we take this forward, we need to know about the background of this opportunity so that we can figure out whether this is a 5-minute wonder or a long-term opportunity. So this company comes out from Utah, basically Utah, to talk the special significance of this place. The regulations out there are very strict, and 60% of the revenue of this comes from private franchises or network marketing things. As the regulations are stringent, to get registered from such a place, it is a very big thing, and that signifies that the opportunity has a strong foundation. So moving forward, as you all know, to get registered in India, there are a lot of loopholes and anybody can get registered there. But when we come from a strong foundation just like that, it gives us an assurance that we have a strong backbone and we can take look at other paradigms or other perspectives of this opportunity. Moving forward, this is an opportunity to reinvent yourself. What do we mean by this? For example, as I was mentioning about my own story, that I was working in corporate in Mumbai, as you all know, that there is a lot of traffic, and I used to start out at my home from 8 a.m. in the morning and used to come back at 10 p.m. in the night. So this was the major problem of my life. The money which I was making, I was not able to enjoy that kind of money because of the circumstances or my long commute to the job. So this problem, there are two types of people in the world. Some people would like keep this problem forever and keep cribbing about it, or category 2, they would find an opportunity to fix this problem. So if you're in the category 2 and looking for yourself to break the system, as in like not willing to do this for like the normal system 30-35 years, so you can take a look at this opportunity wherein you can reinvent yourself. So whether this can work out or whether you will be able to reinvent yourself or not, let us figure out by looking at the 5 pillars which we have with our opportunity. So this is going to take a bit of time, but be patient with me and listen to these 5 pillars carefully, which will help you to maybe evaluate whether this is for you or not. So first pillar of this is people is the most important pillar of any company or any opportunity. As we all know the old saying that our paycheck is an average of 5 people who are surrounded by. So the CEO of our company is by the name Joe Martinez. To tell about this individual, I met this guy 19 months ago. He's again from the Utah, who's the owner of the company. He's been in the industry for like 10 plus years, has a background of US Marine. So as we all know, Marine or army people, they are a lot of discipline, and to be successful in any field, we need to have discipline in our life. So he is very humble and he has a lot of success in his previous careers. In his 10 years time span, he has made up around millions and millions of dollars. To talk that in Indian rupees, he has made 102 crores at the age of 34. I would always want to be there. It is like, of course, if you want to be a doctor, you would want to learn from someone who's a successful doctor. So he has done that. So just because he has made money as a distributor or as an entrepreneur does not mean that he can successfully run a corporate. But this guy has 6+ years of successful corporate consulting, wherein billion-dollar companies used to seek advice from this individual. So if a billion-dollar company is seeking an advice from this guy, that means he knows each and every fundamentals and the principles of the business. This radical combination again gives us an assurance of a strong opportunity and a strong background of the company. Moving forward, again about the people, here we have a chairman, Miguel Rodriguez, who also has 18 plus years of experience. Also, we have our founding members. One first name, you can see my name, which I'm from India. We have Helen Boyle, who's also on the call. Anita Davis from the UK, Josie Thomas again from the US. So these people, they are like always there to lay the foundation to support you in every perspective for building this opportunity in case you want to reinvent yourself in this opportunity. Let us talk about second pillar. Second pillar, which was the purpose. What is our purpose? Let us understand what is the purpose of this opportunity. As I mentioned earlier, innovate, impact, and inspire. Innovate. As we all know that technology has been changing and causing a lot of disruptions, which has caused the nature of businesses to change. So we help you to maximize your potentials with the changes that are occurring due to technology. As we all know, whoever takes the change and whoever grabs the opportunity makes up significant mark in whatever industry they are participating with. As we all know that service based industry is the new trend, but some people don't know how to leverage with this trend. So for that comes in place our second pillar, which is second purpose, which is inspire. We have a team of mentors who take you, hold you by hand, who do the hand holding and guide you in each and every step so that you can achieve what they have achieved. Of course, when we do this, we have an impact not only in your life, but also in millions of people around the world. So let us talk about the third pillar. You got to be patient with me because when we talk about reinventing ourselves, we need to be patient and hear to the entire thing. So the third pillar, which is platform, we have a multi-billion platform, multi-billion dollar platform, which is again an app. Our focus is community-based learning. We're just like Instagram and Facebook, but there will be a less of drama and more of productivity. Our focus is not to motivate you, but to emphasize on self-education, which will help you to be a better person. As we all know that Jim Rohn says, formal education makes you a living and self-education makes you a fortune. So that is our main focus, to give you that sort of self-education through an app like Facebook or Instagram, which will help you to add new dimensions in your life. Moving forward, how it works. It just works like simply like Facebook and Instagram. Again, as I mentioned previously, we have activity based tracking. You can post your daily activities on this, and a community which is based on accountability and all those stuff which is mentioned. It is a kind of a Netflix or Instagram for self improvement, financial technology, and for you to become a digital entrepreneur. We all know that this is a digital age. So you can leverage from a system, use this app, and maybe add multiple income streams in your life. So how we are going to do that, that we will talk in the coming pillars in the presentation. Allow me. You can download this app for free from Google Play Store or iOS, Apple Play Store, whatever device you're using. So let us move to the fourth pillar. Fourth pillar is products. So our products are basically classified into two segments. One is human development and second is financial development. Let us talk about both. Human development is a essential essence or a mandate in our life. As we all know, if you are not a better human being, you won't be doing good in your life. Whatever you are right now, however you look, whatever color or whatever is your living habitat, depends upon what kind of person you have. So our main fragment or main segment is human development. Uh, we focus on all the pillars which are mentioned in this slide, like personal development, professional close coaching, mindset training, leadership training, and all these things mentioned in it. I will explain you in a nutshell what this means. We we go through YouTube or many other courses wherein we have great speakers like maybe Jim Rohn, Eric Worre, maybe Les Brown, other people speaking. So you must be saying, oh, we can develop ourselves just by looking at the free application or taking education, but we don't know like what to see, when to see, and where to go, and which video to refer. And of course, a free training and a paid training, there is a lot of difference. And there are many internet courses which gives you or which promises you that you can be a billionaire or millionaire in 90 days. I don't know whether you will be a millionaire or billionaire, but definitely these courses have value in them, and they would make you a better individual from what you are right now. So definitely we have focus on each and every pillars, and all this content from best of the best mentors of the world is put into a single application in terms of academy. This is like a personal development school together, just like we have business schools and stuff like that. So other product of ours, as I was mentioning about the second segment, is financial development. In this pandemic situation, I don't need to tell you what is the requirement of financial development in our life. Let me give you a simple example. We all know about inflation. Let's say you have 1,000 rupees in your account. The value of your money, because of inflation, it is reducing by 12%, which is the average inflation per annum. So you are keeping that money and decreasing the value of the money every single day or every single month or every single year. For that, normally people find out sources to park their money and make their money work so that they can at least go by the inflation and plan for survival or betterment of their family, whatever according to their respective family conditions. So for financial development, what we actually do, we provide you with such education, such opportunities, wherein only 5% of the population who own 95% of the money, they participate in. And actually, you don't need to know about these opportunities, or you don't need to know about these markets. Let me tell you. Again, we have an app, we have an entire curriculum or entire academy wherein all this content is preloaded, wherein you will be taught upon about these three major markets, which is Forex, which is cryptocurrencies, which is binary trading, etc. And we also have different tools which we will be talking about. Let us first talk about Forex. What is Forex actually? Forex is foreign exchange. For example, we have Indian rupees as a base, as a currency in our country. If I go in United Kingdom, there we have euros or pounds or whatever. So this piece of paper, like let's say I have a 2000 rupees note, if I give that in the UK, that would have no relevance there. It would be just as good as a piece of paper. So on the airports or somewhere, we need to exchange the currency so that I can buy whatever I want to when I travel to that country. Similarly, there is a huge market wherein 44 countries around the world, they do their import and export based on a single currency, due to which there stands a huge market of which turnover is 6.6 trillion US dollars. I'm not talking about a year, a month, or a week. This is a single day turnover. So despite of you not knowing anything about Forex, still hearing this number, you must have realized this fact that even if I understand a drop about it, I can add significant amount of cash flow in my own life. So you need not worry if you don't know about Forex. IX IX is just there for you to empower you to learn about these sectors. So how we educate you in these sectors? We have our live sessions, we have our trading sessions, and also our entire academy, as I was mentioning previously, which teaches you like ABCD is being taught to the kids in the school about what is Forex, how to participate in this independent market. Now you must be thinking that, oh, to become an expert, I need to spend significant amount of time, as some experts say that you need like 10,000 plus hours to be an expert in any sort of field. So of course, we are not going to just learn for 5 hours and 5 years and make money after that. So for that, we have our alert services wherein our experts, they do the research and analysis for you, and they give you the alert. When they give you the alert, you can just simply copy paste, and while you're learning, and you can make your money work for itself. Just imagine with this idea, when you went to the school and when you went to the college, you spent 17 years for formal education, you didn't make any single penny till that 17 years. But here there is something different wherein you can make money from first week itself. even while you're learning, because of this significant products which we give you on Telegram, which we will be again seeing in the coming slides. We have crypto also. Cryptocurrency, everybody knows it is a digital currency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Just like initially there used to be barter system, then came in like paper money, then came in maybe digital currency or plastic money, whatever. So it is the next trend. So you can again diversify your money in that and make it work. Again, if you don't know what crypto is all about, that is where IX comes in picture. We have an entire academy, live sessions, alerts, etc. Same for binary options as well. What is binary? You have two currencies, let's say Euro USD, and you have like time frames like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, wherein you just have to predict that the value will go up or down. So for that, again, we have all the alerts, we have all the educations in place wherein you can leverage from the experts' knowledge and make money as good as expert from this wonderful opportunity called as IX. There might be some people who must be saying, oh, I don't have the time for the alerts, I don't have time for the education. For that, we have special tools like MT4 hosted accounts. MT4 hosted accounts is like a bot will be installed in your account and your money will be working by itself by this technology. Now you must be wondering, oh, they're talking about investment. Let me tell you, you don't need to give any money to anyone, because your money is safe is only one in only one person's account, that is your account. So you need to keep your own money with yourself, in your own account, and use this education, and we will just teach you or provide you tools to multiply your money. So that is what our fourth pillar is about. And this is how our Telegram alerts come in. What I was talking about, the experts who give you the alerts, these are our channels. This is how it looks. When you subscribe, you will get access to all these fancy channels, and which make you obscene amount of money. So we have like 8 expert teams, which stands about 10 to 12 people in every team, who keep on doing research for you like 24 by 5, for crypto 24 by 7 in fact, which is Mario or Guru channel. So they provide you with all the tips or the secrets wherein you can leverage, as I was mentioning before. So this is our automation. Our automation for India is FIBO5, and for other markets or India also, you can avail BB8 or R2D2, whatever. Moving forward. So this is our result of automation, which is tracked on FX book. So again, past performance does not guarantee future result, but if past performance is so good, you have 99.9% possibility of getting somewhere near about the same result. So before we talk about anything further, let me show you some visuals or some people. Let me show you some live testimonials of people who are using these products and making money from the fourth pillar. So for this, I would like to call upon Priyanka madam, who's there on the call, to show you and tell you about the infinite possibilities which she experienced in her own life. So Priyanka ma'am, let me check. Yeah, she's there. So I'm just unmuting Priyanka ma'am. Priyanka ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Virat sir, I can.
Over to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello to everybody. So I was a little confused about to say good evening, but not sure what time everybody is into. Honestly, I got to know this opportunity through Facebook, attended one of the Zoom sessions conducted by none other than Virat sir. And I've always been a looker. So I was looking for something which I can do easily sitting at home, or maybe just by using my smartphone. So when the product was explained in that session, the way Virat sir has just explained in the current presentation also, I was pretty much impressed and convinced deep down inside that this product is going to do wonders in my life. But I had self doubts, I had lack of confidence. And then I was wondering that just by buying this product or maybe accepting this product in my life would make money, or do I need to be part of the education system that IX Global is talking about? So this is how the journey started. But yes, my entry to IX Global, or you can say the acceptance of IX Global system in my life, was on instant basis without giving any second thought to it. And I started my journey. I come from a traditional business class family. And so when, it's a traditional business mindset, it is hard for them to believe that something like this can also work and give money. Because, the traditional style is all about We all know that how these guys work. So my husband also took a little time to get convinced that okay, this product can give us money. And I was not, so I accepted it as a plan B in my life. Wasn't sure it can ever be a plan A in my life. But when we were being hit by corona in March 2020, and two of my traditional businesses came to a standstill position, that was the time when I seriously spoke to Virat sir and told him that I really want to make more money from here. So is there any way that apart from the product I can make more money? So he suggested me, obviously being the mentor, he suggested me to get into a B2B model, and which will be explained in the fifth pillar, the plan. And this is how the other part started in my life. And honestly, that became so huge, and now it has become plan A in my life. And somewhere the two other businesses in my life which are at halt, not giving any money, not generating any revenue, this business, which is IX Global, now I call it as a business now because obviously I am giving that kind of time and efforts to this business. My profits, my return, they have doubled up since I started using the product. So from then till now, the things have changed. So I'll be showing one of my products live story to you so that you can actually understand that maybe for some people it is not a big amount. Maybe for a person like me who started only 4 months ago, and the money that I'm making, for me it's a big achievement, and I really feel glad and fortunate that I took and accepted IX Global as one of the opportunities in my life, and it has become plan A now. So I'll share my screen. So as you can see, this is my account. My name is on top of it, Priyanka Khanna. Real, the yellow strip on the the right corner, you can see it's a real account. And if I show you how much do I make in a week, it is close to $700, which I make in a week. In a month, the profit varies like from $3,000 to $4,000. This is what I'm making out of the product in a month. So the fifth pillar that Virat sir will be taking in the coming slides, you will understand that also. So from that fifth pillar, I am making close to $2,000 to $3,000 from there also. So just for the ease of calculation, I'll open up my calculator. So as you saw from the product, 3,600 and close to 2,500 from the B2B model, which will be shared shortly with you guys. So it is close to $6,100 that I'm making in total. So obviously now you can relate to that. Why did I use the word blessed? Because in 4 months, if somebody from the product making only 3,000 or maybe 2,500 can progress to $6,000, almost double, that means IX Global has that kind of potential and has that kind of education system and has a team of mentors which can truly and very easily guide you, because it's see, everything is automated out here. We are sitting in two different cities, thousands of kilometers away from each other. But the way Virat sir mentors me and teaches me on each and everything that is required to be successful or that is required to achieve my next goal in the business, that means the system is well equipped, that sitting apart from each other, we can still learn and we can still progress and get that success in life. So I think that's it from my side, Virat sir. Over to you.
Thank you so much. It is better to be seen visual rather than just talking about the results and stuff. And no big testimonial than this. And definitely, no matters about the distance where you are watching this presentation from. As I mentioned earlier, this is we focus on digital community or community based learning. So everything is online as the ages of technology. So we will take forward the presentation from here on. So some people might be wondering, oh, so what are the results? How are the alerts coming? So as I mentioned earlier as well, like the alerts come through Telegram, and this is how our channels look like. There are different visuals mentioned, or as you can see. So the results for the months are like you can see how big of returns, like 77% win efficiency. We are on a monthly basis 6,900 to 9,000 pips a month. For people who are not understanding pips, don't worry, just Google it. Is 7,000 pips good in a month? I'm telling you, even if you make that in a year, that will multiply your account to 300% in a year, even with low risk strategy. So I hope that figure like is embedded in your mind what kind of life changing products we have here with IX. So we have different categories, as you can see. So of course this stories or this products, they come for a price. The app is for free. If you want to be a premium subscriber or a brand ambassador or want to have access to all these products, we have two packages are like, one is basic package. Basic package comes in for $125, wherein you get distributor kit, IX social, IX academy, all the live sessions, weekly mentoring call, as well as hosted MT4 accounts, as well as all the alerts. For add-on services like pro alerts, you need to, like, that is not fragmented as of now, but in future it will be an add-on service for 19.99, which is $20. You will get all the pro channels. And if you need like two hosted MT4 accounts, you have to go for a premium package, which comes in for $180 approximately. So every package has a point value, which we will be talking about what significance is of point value in our business or in our life. So basically this is a monthly subscription based model. Monthly subscription based model like Amazon, Netflix. So they have their products which serve the purpose of entertainment, but our products are made for you to suffice your lifestyle needs, to make your life better or to solve your problems. So before I talk about the fifth pillar, let me show you some visual so that you can collect the determination altogether to sit for the entire plan presentation. So before I start with the fifth pillar, I'm showing you my back office, like what kind of money you can make from the fifth pillar. So this is my back office, as you can see. This is my name, Viraj Patil, as I mentioned earlier. So this is my income for the last 8 weeks. $35,276. And what I make from the fourth pillar is near about, you can say, $7,000 a month, which is 5 lakh rupees. So let us sum it up so that maybe you realize whether it is worth your time or not. So let us consider 35,000 plus $12,000 for 2 months from the product. So what I have made in this 4 weeks in this pandemic situation where everybody is fighting for survival is somewhere around this in Indian rupees. So I think even this salary comes for a year long. Many people would live happily in a country like India or even elsewhere. So this is like impressive in everything, and all credits to IX Global for this 5 pillars which help me made an impact and inspire other people with the innovations in the opportunity. So we have another pillar which is making me money. Let us understand about this. As we all know, if we like anything in our life, we tend to recommend, be it our favorite movie, be it our favorite restaurant or whatever. But we don't get paid for that. Like there are two people around in the world who get paid for telling stories and who get zero money for telling stories. So for the first category of people, we have an opportunity which is our fifth pillar. So here, if you recommend like 3 people, if you're satisfied with the product, this is by choice, of course. Without this also you can make money. If you're not willing to take this extra money, it is up to you, but we are willing to give you this extra money. So if you're recommending 3 people, you will get a sponsor bonus or a direct bonus which is of $15 each per user. Every income in our plan is residual income. That means this income is not one time. Every single time when these 3 guys they repurchase or resubscribe, you will be receiving this $15 every single month. So that is like working one time and getting paid every single time. So that is how significant our fifth pillar is. Let us talk about second income, which is the VIP bonus. VIP bonus is very simple. I'll explain that in detail maybe in the later part of the presentation. For example, if you recommended 3 people, so as I mentioned earlier, you will be getting $15 per each user as a direct income. So your direct income or sponsor bonus would be like $45. 15 into 3, simple mathematics, $45. In Apart from that, we will be giving you a VIP bonus which is of $100. So in total, to break even in your business, you just require 3 people, or you can make money from the product as well, which will give you $145. We have a subscription of $125. You are already making $145. Unlike A traditional business which takes you 2 to 3 years to just break even, here you can break even in just 1 week or 2 weeks because of the power of the products if you wish to participate in our fifth pillar. Moving forward, for example, if these three people tell to other three people, you have like 12 people in your digital community. So this 12 people, again, as we discussed earlier, sponsor bonus would be $15 per user, which is 15 to 3, $45. Plus you would be getting a VIP bonus or $450. So on an average, you will be making around $540 every single month. $540 is not a big income, but definitely in this pandemic, two paychecks are always better than a single one, and it can make a lot of things better in your life. So I was talking about the VIP bonus, which I was going to explain. So we have different levels of VIP, wherein I explained VIP 100 and VIP 500. VIP 100, as you can see on the extreme right side, you must be having monthly active users of 4 active users, which is one yourself plus 3. VIP 500, 12 people apart from you. VIP 1000, 40 people, wherein you get $1,000 every single month residual if you have 40 people active on a monthly basis. Of course, product have that potential that you have 40 people active in your team. VIP 2000, which is 120 people, which will give you just $2,000 of the VIP bonus apart from the sponsor bonuses and everything. VIP 4000 on 250 people, and VIP 8000 on 500 people. So we have one more income. I know you will be surprised that how much money we can make from this IX, or how much money these people are distributing. So let me show you the last income stream of us, which is team commissions. Team commissions is like how much ever people are getting referred with your unique code. You have no debts. You will be paid in infinite level from 10% to 20%. And for that, you can make as good as 10 lakh dollars or $100,000, which is 7 crore rupees per month. So this is a big income, and definitely I need not talk more about it, but definitely it is based on different ranks. And as much as your big business progresses, you will keep jumping ranks as you keep jumping promotions in your organization, with corporate or whatever you are associated with. So that is what the plan is all about. And our entire IX duplication model, or our fifth pillar, is based on going VIP. You first come in, go VIP, and help your people to go VIP. You can add like significant cash flow, as well as definitely elevate your life, solve whatever problems you are having in your life, and definitely get rid of this pandemic situation and make a 180-degree turnaround in your life. So that is all about the presentation. And now we have special people on the call. Be tuned till the end. We also have co-founders, one of the co-founders from the UK who would be speaking. So before that, I would be calling upon another lady from Mumbai, who is a fresher who had no experience about this but had a successful corporate background as well. So she came in the opportunity 90 days before, and she will just share you her story, how her journey was. So Nana madam, if you can hear me, I'll pass it over to you.
Yes, Virat sir. Am I audible?
Yes ma'am, loud and clear.
Okay. Thank you so much. Firstly, friends, good evening, everyone. Myself, Nana Bhati, and I'm from Mumbai. I am currently working as an accountant with one of the leading MNC. Next, I want to thank Mr. Viraj Patil for giving this opportunity today to me, and also for introducing this platform in India. Also, wanted to thank Mr. Ramesh Chaudhary, my mentor, for introducing this to me to introducing me in this platform. And thank you both of you for being so great mentors. Rest I wanted to share about Alex journey. I knew about this concept from so long because both of them were doing this and I was in contact with that thing. But then as I was working, I was doing my job, I was thinking about it, but then still I was not willing to join this. But then during this COVID situation, I thought just give it a try, just see how it works. If it works, then it is obviously a good opportunity. So yes, 3 months before I started with this journey, and I actually just wanted to know what are the products, what is the potential of this product, and whether this market really works or not. But then after knowing the product, its potential, I thought let's go for the compensation plan also, and I can refer some of the people who's actually in a need of this thing during this situation, and this can be an opportunity for them to. And yes, I gone for the both of the things, for the product and for the plan as well. I'll share my screen, like what actually worked for me for last 3 months. So I'll just share my plan result first. One minute, friends. So you can see this is my account, Naina Bhatti, and this is purely my last month income. I've already withdrawn the 2-month income, 3501 from the plan. This is my account, Naina Bhatti. This is my last week result, I guess, last month. You can see the product result to 280.565. If I'll just calculate this in Indian currency, so this is what I have earned last month. And if I convert this in Indian currency, 2,83,575 during this COVID situation. And I believe this is actually a great income because I am from a job person and I am getting this income, which is actually 5 times more, which I am getting from my office. So this is this is the combination of my product and plan result. And the best part of this company, this IX Global, is it will actually multiply every month. This is a compounding thing, and there it differs from any other business, any other job. The increment in this company can be every month on monthly basis. So just wanted to conclude with saying that in this pandemic situation, if you get an opportunity which can somehow cross your job, your salary, which can be probably equal to that or more than that, definitely that is not a bad deal. And also about taking risk, as Mark Zuckerberg already said that the biggest risk is not taking risk. So I just wanted to say that take risk, think about it, go for it, just give a try and you will definitely succeed. Thank you, Viraj sir. Thank you again for giving this opportunity to share this journey of mine.
Thank you so much. Very simple, short, and concise. So action speaks louder than words. You can see the visuals. They are more prominent enough to tell you how big of an impact it has created in our life. So as I promised you, we have one of our co-founder who is literally moving mountains in the overseas, in the UK, European region. So we have with us Helen Boyd, who's a police officer, and she's also apart from her corporate job, she's also doing this very passionately. So without taking her part of story, I would hand it over to her. So Helen, if you can hear me, please share your story.
Hello, thank you, Viraj, and thank you everyone for taking your time out of your Sunday to be on this call. I'm absolutely privileged to be here speaking to you. So I'll just tell you a little bit about myself. As Viraj said, my name is Helen Boyle. I live in Manchester in the United Kingdom. And I grew up in a very small little village, which I'm sure some of you can relate to. I had a wonderful childhood, but I always knew I didn't want to stay and live in the same place all of my life. And I've never been afraid of change. I worked hard at school, I got very good grades, but I didn't want to go to university. So at 18 years old, I started my career with Virgin Atlantic Airlines. And I knew throughout my working career that I wanted more. I wanted to work for myself, but I didn't know where to start. Whilst I worked at Virgin Atlantic, I was very privileged to spend 2 to 3 years working with Sir Richard Branson very, very closely. I'm sure most of you will know who he is. I was on the promotions team, so I travelled around the world with Richard. And I think unconsciously, a lot of what the person he was and the words he said rubbed off on me. And I knew at that point that being an entrepreneur was what I wanted. I didn't take action on my entrepreneurial journey until both of my parents sadly died. And it was at that point that I realized that I had to grab opportunities, that I had to really go after what I wanted. I also had a couple of life-threatening injuries, And that made me realize how important life was, and how I wanted something better for my family. As Viraj has said, I am a murder detective for Greater Manchester Police. So alongside being a co-founder of this amazing global company, I also have a full-time job. Now, IX has replaced my income in the police. If I wanted to leave the police, I could do that tomorrow. But there are things that I want to achieve in life. So long as I can do both, I will carry on doing that. I'm also a #1 best-selling author. I have a new book out this Saturday coming, actually, which is very exciting, called She is Unstoppable. And my mission is, I work alongside Viraj very, very closely. And our mission is to help you build the life that you've dreamt of for your family. However small you start this business, you have got a wonderful team in India. So with Viraj and the leaders out there, you will absolutely succeed so long as you follow their advice. Viraj mentors me. We help each other, and yeah, you're in absolutely fantastic hands. You will have multiple streams of income, and I'm sure as COVID and when we've been in lockdown, you've realized that nothing is secure. So you need to plan ahead. You need to plan your life, and make sure you can support your family if you need to do that. So I will pass you back to Viraj. Thank you for allowing me to be here. I'm very, very honored.
Thank you so much, Helen, for that valuable words of yours. So to take this forward, just to conclude this point, I just wanted to make some points out of it. So like after what you all have seen, like about the 5 pillars, about the potential of the products, about the potential of the plan, so what do you all think? What do you think is easier for you? Doesn't it make sense for you to just start off using your mobile phone, doing the same thing which you do on Facebook and Instagram, just with a different app, and adding income stream in your life? So here, like, there are multiple possibilities. Just imagine about your problem. What is your reason? Why do you want to be a part of it? I'm asking this question to you. What is your biggest fear? For example, why I started in this? I hated the commute to the job, and I couldn't do that for the coming 30 to 35 years. So I had to make a decision, or just I could be cribbing and complaining about the problems. As I mentioned, there are 2 types of people in the world, who are cribbers and who are action takers. So if you want to be an action taker, IX is the right opportunity on the right time with the right system. If you see these visuals, and if you have some sort of belief, and the problem is bothering you so much that you have a sense of urgency to take action, and if you think that how I could do this business, guess what? You don't need to know how to do this business. We have our entire leadership team who can teach you every single step, how to make money with the products, how to make money with the platform, how to make money with the compensation plan. So what you have to do is just make a decision. I made a decision 3.5 years ago to shift from my plan, to start out a plan B, and now this is my plan A. I'll tell you the repercussions in my own life. Like, I used to wake up to the alarm clocks, losing my alarm clock again and again, and just used to go to job. As you all know that research shows the major heart attacks are caused on Monday. So I don't need to worry. I sold my alarm clock to my neighbor because I had wake up when I'm done sleeping. There I used to have like 2 days weekend. Now I have 5 days weekend. I like enjoy every single day, work when I want to, do the things when I want to. I travel everywhere around. And with this opportunity, with the financial development segment and our 5th pillar, last year, I moved into that segment wherein which you call 8-figure income per annum in Indian rupees, which is 7-figure income per annum in US dollars, which only 10% of 1.4 billion people in India, only 10,000 people in India out of 1.4 billion people make. So that significant impact came in my life just because I took one decision, I followed the system. So now it is up to you. You can sit back and analyze, and you can be not interested in this and keep your life the way it is. Or else you can make a change in your life by making a decision of starting with us. So if you want to start with us, just say 3 words for whoever invited you on this call. Sign me up. Thank you so much. With this, we will end the presentation. We'll see you all.